Whoa, what up, what's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now today, we're going to take a look at something that's been highly anticipated, underrated, whatever the case is, man. Look, it's a fire shoe to me. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So as you can see, you see the big orange box. You might know what this is already, but if not, we're going to get into it. Across the top of the box, we have Fear of God. Let me try to fix it to where y'all can see it, man. I don't want to give y'all no half-ass information, man. There you go. You can see the Fear of God. Minimal branding. There's minimal branding all throughout this project. You know what I'm saying? So that's a win for me. On the side of the box, you see the small swoosh, continuing with the minimalistic theme. Blank on that side. Got the small swoosh on this side again. Then you come to the side with the tag. Now what we have is the Nike Fear of God, Nike Air Fear of God 1, excuse me. The colorway is black and black. Now opening the box is kind of tough. Try to slide that thing up out of here, you hear me? And now we got it. You smell that? Premium. This thing reeks of premium scent. You hear me? So look, on the inside of the top of the box is blank. It comes with this bag. And on the bag, you see it has Air Fear of God. Now, this bag, I'm not going to be doing nothing with this bag. So if one of y'all, one of my subscribers or whatever, man, y'all could DM me, man, I'll send you this bag for free, man. You hear me? So it is what it is, man. If you want this bag, man, look, I get that to you. Now this comes with a small pack, little chrome pack, silver pack, whatever you call it, with this finish. It has Air Fear of God on it. I'm not about to open it, but I will show you what's in it. Now I took this picture from Bull RC's video. I had to borrow that from your homie, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to you. You feel me? Now you have the orange paper, and on the other side of the paper is white. Now these come individually wrapped, but it also comes with 2 extra strings. You got a black pair and a white pair. Real thick strings, and you'll see why. Because these come with thick strings, you hear me? So like I say, these come individually wrapped, man. You got the chrome silver finish on the bag. But that ain't what we here to see. I mean, if that's what y'all want to see, man, you know, that's cool. You know, a lot of these trolls that like to call people shit fake, they like that. But anyway, here it is, the Nike Air Fear of God 1. Now, I'm going to be honest, like I always do. Man, I've been waiting on this. Ever since I first saw the images of it online, man, I was like, man, let me get these things. Then I saw PJ Tucker rock them. I was like, I gotta have them things. And then I saw the yellow ones. I said, it's a must-have. You hear me? So, you might hear me say this shoe is dope. You might hear me rave about this shoe a little bit extra on this because I'm feeling these. You know what I'm saying? So, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Now, looking at the bottom of the shoe, you have the white. You might call it off-white. You might call it sail, outsole. You see the pattern under the bottom. You see that air unit. Here's a look from the side. See that small swoosh. Very minimal branding on this shoe, man. I love that. Here's a look from the front, the top. Dope, man. I'm feeling it. Medial side. You can see that TPU cage wrapping around the heel. And on the heel, you got the Nike swoosh and Fear of God. Like I say, very minimal branding, man, and I'm a fan of that. I don't need all the everything on, you know. So you got the zipper on the back, and on the zipper you have Nike and Fear of God. And you have the padding right here so that the zipper don't irritate your ankles or the back of your leg or wherever it lands up on your leg. Now on the inside, you see you got the perforated pattern. Dope. Man, this shoe is just premium. You know what I'm saying? So if this is not your cup of tea, I respect that. But it's mine. I wear Gucci's, you know, I wear Prada, all that, you know, the casual shoe type, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. Here's a look at the inside. I don't know what these numbers stand for, so if y'all know, you let me know in the comments, man. On the side, you see it has air, fear of God, and it has his grandfather's military service number. I think that's a nice touch, man. He repping the fam. You hear me? It's always cool to rep the fam, man. Remember, family first. Fuck everything else, you hear me? So that's what it is, man. I respect that. You know, it must mean a lot to him if he put it on the shoes, you hear me? Now, looking at the other shoe, I think it's dope. Just like I thought about the other one. It's identical. You feel me? So, I mean, it ain't really too much more I can say about it, man, but make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Oh, that's a closer look at the back. Hopefully you was able to see that. There's the medial side. Y'all stay tuned, man, because we're going to get into our own foot on these, man, and let y'all see how these things look. You can make your decision and see if you want to copy a pair, man. Now, I know I'm a little late with the review, man. I'm a few days late, but I've been tied up, man. I don't have my regular camera, man. It's been a little hectic for me, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all work with me, man. I know y'all viewing my content because you fucks with me, you hear me? So, it is what it is. Now, there's a closer look at that suede on the front. Now, I'm not sure if it's suede or nubuck, but you can see the directional change on it. It could be a short-haired suede. It could be a long-haired nubuck. I don't know. But I'm just giving you the content, man, trying to get it as in-depth with the review as I could, man. Try to let y'all see what you be getting into when you spend your money on these products, man. You feel me? Now, there's a closer look at the top. So, see those thick laces. You can see the TPU Cajun. It wraps all around the shoe, especially around the heel. I mean, like I say, man, I think it's dope. I'm feeling it. I'm in it to win it. I can't knock the shoe, man. You know, so here it is with another look under some different lights. Might give you a little bit of a different perspective, maybe not. But I really was just stalling, trying to make the video long. Nah, let me stop, man. But man, look, like I say, man, I think these things is dope, man. You know, I know the prices done went up and shot up like crazy on StockX and gold, and might be out of reach for some people, man, and I apologize for that. I ain't apologizing for that. I ain't make this shit. What the fuck wrong with me, man? Let me get back to the basics, man. Look, anyway, that was my look at the Nike Air Fear of God 1. Dope shoe. I'm feeling it all the way around the board, man. If you're in the market for these, man, or if you're feeling these, man, go ahead and cop you some, man. Don't worry about what nobody's saying, man. Rock your shit. You hear me? So y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. Subscribe to this channel. We're about to get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back. What's up? You now tuned in to Big Co 911. And this is brought to you by Cocaine Incorporated, you hear me? We gon' do this for all these fake ass motherfucking DJs. Yeah. These fake ass niggas that be doing beats. These fake ass fucking concert promoters. And these fake ass niggas with these fucking record labels, you know what I'm saying? Fucking right. And these fake ass rap niggas, I gotta come at them straight off the dump. Look, damn, what did it have to come to this? That big old nigga back in this bitch with that foolishness. A lot of niggas done waited, debated. Some niggas hated and stated that nigga lazy. The fuck that fat bitch won't never make it. So now I gotta take it and make you eat them fucking words. think you talking about them. Nigga, I don't give a fuck if the shoe fit, put that bitch on, nigga. Look, I don't know what the fuck be wrong with niggas, knowing I roam with triggers. They hit the domes of niggas, battered, abused, bruised, shattered the bones of niggas. On that slick shit, get